Good morning! In today's episode, we'll be cutting off a section of the roof. That's not the only thing we're cutting off today. Dun dun dun! I think he knows we're here and he's whining. He never does that. Maybe if I get him noodles, you won't know the difference. You okay, dude? Get this guy with 80/20 around it, and that's it. Being a full-time parent, having full-time jobs, you just gotta find the pockets of windows where you could do something. So I gotta find more pockets, but here we go. We're gonna go for it. I gotta cut a couple inches off the 80/20 and connect them all, and hopefully I could do it fast. So what I'm gonna do is put this bolt, this washer through here like this. I'm gonna push it through the panel. This is a 5/16 hole. Make sure you do it with a pilot hole first. Got this piece. We want to make sure this little flared up piece is sticking out, because that's gonna well, it'll be a problem because you can't shove the 80/20 in the other way. How do I know? Because I did it just like that. Don't go all the way, you can tighten it after, because you want that wiggle room to get the rest through. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna push this all the way across, all the way to the end, but I gotta put the other stuff in, so I just wanted to show you what it looked like. Okay guys, I just wanted to show you how these guys connect, and yes, I know I need lotion. So what you want to do is you want to get the long side in and put it on this end of the extrusion right here, just so you have enough room to push this guy through. Just push this guy through. Just like so. So you want to go past it all the way, because you want to do the other side. Now, let's go check out the other side. Oop, sorry. Hooked up to my blower. Okay. Now, same thing. You want to get the long side in, this guy. Let me show you what happens if you don't. If you put this side in, there's no place for it. See, that's gonna block. You can't slide it through there. Gotta go through there, just like that. So, and then that goes in just like so. Okay, so that's in. I have an idea how to build this fan, but it's gonna evolve and change. So what's gonna happen is, I got the first panel up right there, and that's right above where the kids stay, or right behind it, I mean. And the other panel is going to be back there. But I am going to be installing the Fresair. The beautiful thing about the Fresair is it doesn't go up and down like the Maxair that I got on there. So I'm going to have to figure out a way how to mount the solar above the Fresair. And I think it's like about 4 inches higher. And dude, I've been trying everywhere to find spacers, so I'm gonna have to get creative, think about a way to do it. But that's the new challenge. The reason why I'm doing that is because I still want to put a deck in the back. Okay, it's 9 o'clock. I got 6 hours to get this done. But first, some yoga. Just kidding, I don't know how to do yoga. I'd love to learn one day, but we got work to do. Let's go. Okay, so here's the template, and I am sure glad that they stamped it. So this is the front, that's the front. So my common sense tells me to put this way. So what I'm gonna do is there's a crease here. And originally I was gonna put it here, but Wifey was right. It's probably not a good idea to have that right above us. And there's gonna be a floating bunk right here. So yes, right here would be better. The only thing is I'm gonna have to mount the solar over it. And finding the spacer is actually pretty hard to find. Okay, so it is a little bit sketchy here. Because before I started this, I actually waxed this roof, so it's really slippery. Fun fact, I worked at a car wash for 7 years. Okay, right off the jump, oh, so frustrating. This is the way it goes here. If I do that, this guy would be facing forward, which means the light would be in the back of the van. According to all the YouTube videos, it's opposite. So I just emailed them and hopefully they call me back right away. Okay, I feel so much better. So Eric from Fresair just replied back to my email. Keep in mind, that had to be between 5 to 10 minutes. And I really appreciate that kind of customer service. So they did stamp it correct. Yeah, so the videos, I've seen a couple of YouTube videos where the light was facing forward on the inside, and the way the shroud is on top, it didn't make sense. Why was it facing backwards? So I'm glad I called, because this is the right way, the way that Eric told me how. Okay, now I'm kind of thinking maybe I should just go with the universal brackets, because these rear ones are fine, and I think it came with some metal brackets, so I don't have to cut the wood. Let's see if that lines up real quick. All right, man. This is it. Don't get scared now. Alright, so I've never owned like nice tools before, and I just started stocking up because I knew this day would come. The last jigsaw I've owned was like a plug-in skill saw, and it performed nothing like this. That was awesome. That's what separates me from other van builders, is I pretty much suck. But I'm gonna learn as I go. I'll try. That's all that matters, right? Thumbs away. So what next? We are gonna file this, paint it, and drop it like it's hot. So here's a funny story. My dad, my dad's like, if it's not broke, don't fix it. So cutting a hole in the roof would freak him out. Like even as a kid, when I would put the power window up and down, boy, don't do that too many times, the window's gonna break or fall off. So let's FaceTime my dad real quick, see what he's up to.
Hello.
Yo, 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 yo.
What's up?
Say what's up to the GoPro.
I'm by the highway.
Your hair looks really nice.
Oh my goodness. I really need a haircut now, huh?
No, that's nice. Pop, I did something.
Oh, what did you do now?
I cut another hole on the van.
Oh my lord. See, that's what happens when you have so much time. You can't. We just keep on cutting things.
So I got it all filed, but I want to be a little bit more safe, just smooth it out a little bit more. So I just grabbed some sandpaper. .80 grit. Now I'm gonna put some mineral spirits. Second guessed myself for a second. That was kind of scary. No. That's gonna be an owie. Lined up there. I'm not even gonna edit that out, man. Let's keep it real. I am gonna make mistakes, but luckily that scratch will cover the whole thing. So let's keep it 1,000, dude. So let me show you where it slipped. See, I was drilling right at the angle and it slipped down, which is fine. I just gotta slap some paint on here. But yeah, I don't actually think this is necessary. But I got the tool, so what else will. Really loving that GoPro 9 because I can see what I'm filming. Which takes you to our sponsor, me. And this does not have to be perfect because this whole thing is going to be covered up like big time. I'd like to say the hardest part's done. Gonna let this dry. Vacuum that up. Hey, these pants, by the way, are super comfortable. They're stretchy. I bought them for like, and they got the little cool little pocket right here. I got them for $9.99 at Costco. But I'm so digging them. They were gonna be like just my get dirty pants, but dude, I wear these all the time. I'll be honest right now. I'm doing better than I thought I was gonna be doing on this thing. So I'm really proud of myself. So let's clean up, get this bag out of here and prepare to start doing mounting it. For watching, guys. Sorry I'm not doing any description and links and stuff like that. I just honestly don't have the time. I just literally figured it, found a little window where I could do that right now. I'm in the van. This is what it looks like. Let me show you how much time I don't have. I got these. I still even roll all of them on. You see that? When, like I said, when you're full-time parents, full-time jobs, you gotta find windows to get a little bit done. Speaking of windows, I ordered them a couple months ago, but due to COVID, they are not here yet, but I got an email saying they will be here soon. So there they are. I can't wait to put those in. I ordered the aluminous ladder and surf pole. Can't wait to put that in, and hopefully things start falling into place. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you on the next one. I guess that's what everyone says.